There's lots of leftovers that you can reheat. Make sure Dash does his homework, and both of you get to bed on time.
Hey, what's that? Where'd you get that, Mom? Oh.
You ate a cool outfit? Hey, are this rough? You ate a cool outfit?
Ha-ha! Dash, you come back here this moment!
Look, I'm the Dash. The Dash likes.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Take that off before somebody sees on the phone.
Yikes!
Dash!
This is yours. It's specially made.
What's going on?
You're not coming, and I'm gonna pay!
What makes you think it's special?
I don't know.
Don't touch my sister! Doing that! I don't know! Whatever you do, don't stop! Mom! Dad! Look, I'm the Dash. The Dash likes.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Take that off before somebody sees.